3. Project estimation and resource management. Estimating project duration, effort, and costs. Estimating project duration, effort, and costs. Project estimation involves determining the time required, effort exerted, and costs associated with completing project activities. Various estimation techniques such as analogous estimation, parametric estimation, and three-point estimation can be used. By considering factors such as task complexity, resource availability, and historical data, project managers can make informed estimates that contribute to realistic project planning and budgeting. Resource identification and allocation. Resource identification and allocation, identifying the necessary resources for the project, including human resources, equipment, and materials, is crucial. Project managers need to assess the skills, expertise, and availability of team members and allocate them appropriately to project tasks. This involves matching the right resources to the right tasks, considering their capabilities and workload capacity. Developing project schedules and timelines. Developing project schedules and timelines. Once the project activities and resources are identified, project schedules and timelines are created. This involves sequencing tasks, determining task dependencies, and estimating the overall project duration. Project management tools such as Gantt charts, network diagrams, or Agile boards can be used to visualize and communicate the project schedule effectively. Managing project risks and constraints. Managing project risks and constraints. Risk management plays a vital role in project estimation and resource management. Project managers need to identify potential risks and develop strategies to mitigate them. This includes assessing risks related to resource availability, changing requirements, technology constraints, and external factors. By proactively managing risks, project managers can minimize the impact on project timelines and resource allocation. 4. Project execution and control. Managing project teams and stakeholders. Managing project teams and stakeholders. Effective leadership and team management are essential during project execution. Project managers must provide clear direction, motivate team members, and facilitate effective communication and collaboration. Additionally, managing stakeholders involves keeping them informed, addressing their concerns, and actively engaging them throughout the project to maintain their support and involvement. Monitoring project progress and performance. Monitoring project progress and performance. Continuous monitoring of project progress is necessary to track the actual progress against the planned schedule, budget, and deliverables. Project managers use various tools and techniques to collect data, assess performance, and identify any deviations or variances. This information helps in making informed decisions and taking corrective actions as needed to keep the project on track. Change management and scope control. Change management and scope control. IT projects often experience changes in requirements, scope, or objectives. Effective change management involves assessing change requests, evaluating their impact on the project, and making informed decisions on whether to approve, reject, or incorporate the changes. Scope control ensures that project activities remain within the defined scope and that any changes are managed and communicated appropriately to minimize scope creep. Quality assurance and control. Quality assurance and control. Quality assurance activities focus on proactively ensuring that project deliverables and processes meet the defined quality standards. This includes establishing quality management processes, conducting quality reviews, and implementing quality control measures. Quality control involves verifying and validating project deliverables to ensure they meet the specified requirements and are fit for purpose.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.